Hey guys, an update on Novo. This is the Danish krone chart. So market is already open. US chart not yet, but yeah, as we were expecting, we are getting this drop now in wave 4. And once again, you can see these fips are often being respected really nicely. Of course, it could push a little bit higher, but internally we had 5 waves up, so then it becomes a little bit less likely we're gonna push higher. I mean, it always still can, but it looked already very complete here. You can reach these if your third here is more aggressive, and then you still need a 4-5. But this was looking really nice, and then here we had a higher high, very slightly, with a lower high on the RSI, a little bit of bearish divergence as well. So yeah, it's really doing nicely, playing out nicely. Now the question is this wave 4 already in? We are almost at the first fib. We also have the point of control of this range here at 363, 64 Danish krone. Yeah, it could be, but we have labeled this wave 2 here as a running flat, which took some time. That's why I have this vertical red line here. This indicates, look, if price now from this high gets to this point, then the wave 4 is the same in time as your wave 2. It doesn't have to be the same. It can overshoot it a little bit. It can end a little bit before it, but often it gets close to it, okay? That doesn't mean that this can't be it. It can be it, but I think we need to be prepared for something like this or a little bit more of a sideways range just to fill in this time and to reset the RSI a little bit more as well. So I wouldn't expect directly a move higher. I sold half of my position here, and now I might add a little bit already today, and then the rest I will add if I get this, or if I see with certainty that okay, this wave 4 is in and we're going to move higher, then I can add more. But I can already add a little portion. This is my longer term portfolio, so sometimes I just dilute my position a little bit if I know with like high certainty that a correction is ahead. And then now, yeah, we have reached this first fib with the point of control almost. I expect some reaction here. And yeah, that's it. What I can do as well is I can calculate a box for wave 5 in blue, like this. Of course, depending on how low this goes, this box moves with it. I'm gonna adjust it depending on where we form the low. For now it is from this point, and your box sits then around 400 Danish krones. But I'm also gonna take it from the whole of wave 1 and 3 combined to then the wave 4 low. And then if I toggle on the correct fibs, wait, like this box sits a little bit higher then, okay? Of course, these are just boxes you can use as a guidance. Ultimately, we want to see the internal structure, and we want the internal structure to help us a little bit. We want to see a 5-wave move again in this fifth, and depending on how intense this 1-2 setup can be, of course we're gonna move then higher. We also have this previous high here at 397, and then of course this trend line that's coming from the all-time highs. 1-2 touch points only, but I still have it here. It might be relevant around here. And that's all I've got to say. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.